Let's open Task Manager. As we go to the Startup tab, we can see here there are no startup items. Actually, we can fix this very easily. You can run this folder path. If the folder name startup is missing, just create it. You can also run this second folder path. Again, if the folder startup is missing, just create it. Or we can copy these two. Run CMD as administrator. Right click here to paste. Then hit enter on your keyboard to create the startup folders. Now we can see here the startup items. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.